Hi student, good morning to everyone. So today I want to continue my science lesson. There's a discussion for the paper 2 for the module PBD. So I passed for you for the module question during the MCO. So from here we need to discuss the last part. There's paper 2. Okay, that's a question 1 until the question 9 today. So hopefully you are finished. You just check the answer. So later I will ask about the some of the question about the paper 2. So hopefully you can type in the chat room. Then after that we check your answer, is it correct or not. Okay. So student, can you reply me? You can listen me or not? Wen can listen or not? Okay, Jala is coming already. Okay, Jala, can you listen me? Yeah, just waiting for your answer. Okay, just type in the chat room. Okay, can So I continue to show my lesson in PowerPoint. So everybody, later you answer me, you can see or not. Okay, I will share. Okay, you can see the science form 4 paper 2 discussion or not. So can see or not the screen. Okay, I share the screen already. Okay, Charlotte can see or not? Okay, so I just straight to start my lesson. Okay, so from here, we need to discuss about the science form 4, paper 2, discussion. Okay, let's see the first question for the paper 2, section A. Okay, now we're going to see the question. Okay, Aideen, there's a conduct an experiment to study the growth of pattern of the green bean. Okay, now you see the diagram 1. They show about the green bean in a plastic cup. Okay, first one we're going to see got damp cotton at the bottom. So we got green bean. Okay, after a few days, you find it the green bean, the seedling already increased the height. So I didn't measure the height of the 3 green bean seedling. Table 1, they show about the result of the experiment. So we're going to see the experiment after the 6 days. Okay, now we're going to see. Okay, the table, they collect the result for the 6th day. Okay, they find the 3 height. That means maybe the morning, afternoon, and evening, they go to measure the height. So after that, they get the different height. So normally, we need to find the average. Okay, so from here, everybody, I think there's no problem for you to answer the average question. So we just complete the table. So I just show you the answer for the average. So they find it, this one is the average. So conclusion, I can find it when starting first day until 4th day. Okay, just keep increasing. So the increasing, they will slowly to decrease. So you find here, this one is a big increasing. Okay, so 1.4, 2.8, 4.0, that one is a big increasing. So until 4.2 and 4.2, that means the 5th day and the 6th day, they become the normal, constant already. So this one, we call it as increasing for the seedling green bean. Okay, now we're going to state the manipulate variable of this one experiment. So anybody please answer me, just type in the chat room, what is a manipulate variable? Okay, then find manipulate variable. Hi, user come in already. Okay, please type here manipulate variable for this experiment. You can refer the diagram here. Okay, anybody can type. Okay, I'm waiting for your answer. Manipulate variable, that means what you control for this experiment. Just type your answer in the chat room. Okay, present on the damp cotton, no. Then not the answer. Manipulate variable means I control. I control what in this experiment? Anybody want to answer? Okay, faster. Green bean? No. Green bean not manipulate variable. Green bean should be constant variable. Okay, manipulate variable means there will changes, but I control. Height I cannot control, Gwen. Height should be responding variable. So one more from your table, you can find the answer. From the table, you can find the answer. I told you already the height should be responding variable. So another one, which one should be manipulate variable? Okay, coming. Answer please. Okay, I get the answer from Leon. Okay, Leon give me the answer is days. So I can tell you, normally you want to find the manipulate variable and also the responding variable, you refer the table. Okay, you see the changes one, keep changes one, sure is a responding. Okay, that one you find the number is perfect number. The number is very clear and also evenly. They move smooth one. You control by yourself one. That one sure is manipulate variable. So from here the answer is days. Okay, days is a manipulate variable. Okay, then we go to the second question. Okay, after that you need to draw the graph. Okay, after you got data, you need to draw the graph. The graph is a height against the number. Okay, height against number. You tell me the height is a y-axis or x-axis. Okay, I want height only. So just type there. Height is a y-axis or x-axis. Okay, type your answer. I just want the height. Just type there x or y. Okay, Elaine, y-axis. Okay, so height, when they just mentioned that one, the first one sure is a y-axis. Okay, after that against means later. Later that one should be x-axis. Okay, so thank you, Elaine, your answer is correct. Height is a y-axis. So we go and show the graph. Okay, so this one is a graph. You refer the table just now, then you go to plot. Okay, so you find it when starting, they start from the 1. Okay, 0 is nothing. So 0, nothing, then go to 1, then continue until the 6 days and 5 days should be constant. So you just follow to draw. Okay, follow to draw. So what conclusion can be drawn based on this experiment? What's the conclusion? So normally the conclusion you mentioned, the graph is how. Okay, when starting there's an increase lah. After that become constant. So this one graph, remember what's the name? Okay, before that I got tissue for the growing plant. The graph you draw in the graph in your class, there's a one of the S shape, is it? They go out, after that they're bending. That one we call what shape? So anybody can type here. The shape of growing of the plant. So they just up, maybe yours one when you do the experiment, they go curve a little bit up, then turn back up. That one is what shape? Start with the word that's a S. Okay, S. So anybody can answer? Okay, S. You start with the S. Okay. No, nobody know. Okay, if nobody know, then I just show my answer. That one, the glowing shape of the plant. Okay, this one. The height pattern of the green bean seedling is a sigmoid shape. Okay, the keyword is a sigmoid. That means just like the S shape. Okay, they go out, after that they curve a little bit, after that they're bending, then become constant. So that one we call sigma. Okay. Okay, then we go to question number 2. Okay, diagram 2, they show about the experiment to study the corrosion of the resistance of alloy. Okay, now we can see 2 diagrams. Okay, one is a water, both also is a water. Okay, iron nail they put inside the water. Another one is a steel nail they put inside the water. Okay, table 2, they show about the result after 1 week. Okay, so from here we find it the steel nail, there's no changes. Okay, although it's 1 week, they put inside the water, there's nothing happened. Okay, iron nail, they say the brown solid is produced. Actually, the brown solid is what? Okay, we can using one word to represent the brown solid is produced. Okay, what is that? Start with the R. Okay, the brown solid produced means the iron nail is, okay, just answer start with the R. R. Okay, the robot R. Okay, again, Elaine is the first one. The others got any comment beside this one question? Beside the answer? Okay, so I just pin the answer for Elaine. Okay, the brown solid produced actually, there is a rust. Okay, rusty. Okay, also correct. So this one means rust. Okay, so we continue to the following question. Okay, now we're going to see the table 2 again after 1 week. Okay, this one just now we show already. Can you state one inference from this one experiment? Inference means you normally explain the table. The one we call inference. So from the table, what you can see. Okay, we just can explain only lah. For the steel nail, there are no rusting. Okay, you are no changes. For the iron nail, after 1 week, they become rust. Okay, so this one is an inference. So we're talking about the observation from the table. So from here, iron nail rust, but the steel nail does not rust. Okay, this one is an inference. Okay, so from here, B, state the variable of the manipulate variable. So from here, anybody can answer B. Manipulate variable. Okay, I want the manipulate variable. Refer the table also. Which one should be manipulate variable? Okay, just answer me. Okay, manipulate variable. Okay, from the table. Okay, William form. Okay, we find it the answer should be the, okay, let's see the answer from William. William type already. There's a nail as type of nail. Okay, this one the answer from the William. Okay, let's check. Okay, type of the nail. That one is a manipulate variable. Okay, how about the responding variable? Responding variable. Okay, also from the table you can find the answer. Responding variable. Okay, just type. Maybe longer a little bit, because the responding variable you need to type long a little bit, because from this table lah. Okay, anybody? Responding variable. That means the thing we cannot control. Okay, responding variable. Observation too short already. Observation for who? We want you need to write the full sentence. Observation for what? Okay, observation just one word only. I say already, you must start longer a little bit. Observation of. Okay. Other answer? Beside observation, you just need make the observation, the word become longer. Behind still got something. That's a not complete. Okay, anybody? Observation of the what? Okay, the others, please type there. Okay, make sure you attend for this class, so you type your answer. Okay, observation of change, observation of nail. Okay, both also correct. Observation of change, siapa punya change. Observation of the new changes. Okay, observation of type of the nail. Also correct. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I will show the answer. Okay, from here, Afari the Sadox of 77. Okay, don't know who is that lah. They give me the answer is the observation of the type of the nail. Okay, we show the answer. So the answer is the condition. You can say observation also can. You can say condition also can. Okay, of the nail. So also correct. If you want to write the full sentence also can. The observation of the nail after a week also correct. Okay, so that means you can differentiate what's a manipulate variable, what's a responding. Responding is normally we cannot control. Okay, so we continue to the next page. Okay, now the steel nail is an alloy. State the operational definition of an alloy. Okay, when you see the word operational definition, okay, after that of something. So how you answer this question? This question you must pick the last word. Example here, the last word is alloy, is it? So you must start your word, alloy is. Okay? When you see the operational definition, this one is a format. So when you just say alloy is what? Then you explain now. Is, you must refer back to the question. You cannot say alloy is a metal. Wrong already. So you must refer to your question. From the question is alloy is do not rust and metal is rust, is it? So you must say alloy is a metal and also does not rust when you put inside the water. So you mentioned alloy already, then you need to refer back this question, what they show you. Okay? So remember, operational definition of, okay, that one is an object. So you bring the object to in front. So after that, you add the word is. Okay, I show you the answer. Alloy is. Okay, this one is a format when they just mention operational definition. So the alloy is a metal. Okay, which, okay, refer your experiment, which does not rust when put in water. So this one is a format how you write the question when they state about operational definition. Okay, now we need to mark the substance which can replace the steel nail in this experiment. Okay, so I want the answer. Give me the answer. Which one is almost same like the steel nail? They do not rust one, although you put inside the water. Okay, so I want the answer, please. Okay, anybody can just type the words. Okay, they got bronze, they got zinc, you got lead. Okay, you type which one is almost same like the. Okay, Jella showed the answer already. Zinc. Zinc is a normal metal. Okay, but find something that's almost same like the steel. They do not rust one. Okay, do not rust one. Okay, remember your medal, your medal. Okay, first one is a gold. Second is a silver. That one normally is do not rust, is it? If rust, then give you no use already. So the third one, we using what to produce? The third prizes. Okay, anybody? Okay, again, the same person. So from here, I want to pick the answer from Joey. Okay, let's see Joey. Theo, they give me one answer. Okay, so from the screen, they got show or not? Okay, Joey, they show the answer is a bronze. So bronze is almost same like the steel. Okay, they do not rust. Okay, so from here, the answer is bronze. Okay, thank you, Joey. So the other also correct. Noreen also same. Okay, Guiwen also say bronze. Leong also bronze. Okay, correct. Okay, so we continue to the next one. Okay, question 3. They show about the experiment, investigate the relationship between the mass and also the inertia. So make sure you know what's the relationship of both. Okay, now they show about the pair A and also the B. They are pushed at the same time with the same force. Okay, the time taken by every pair they stop to not swimming. So sorry for typing. This one should be the switching. Okay, the swing. Okay, not swimming, it's a swinging. Okay, swinging observed. Okay, now the result from the experiment is recorded in the table. Okay, time taking for the pair to stop the swinging. Okay, A, they take 2 minutes. Okay, B, they take 6 minutes. Okay, what you think about this one? Okay, so from here, we just can make conclusion. From the table, we make conclusion. Okay, for the empty pail, they're more easy to stop. Is it? They take short time, 2 only. Then for the pail, the mass is increasing until 200 grams. They take the longer time to stop. Okay, so this one is what we can conclude from the table. Okay, then we continue. Based on the table 3, can you state one observation in this experiment? What you can observe? Okay, you just refer the table, then you mention about your observation. So the observation just now I mentioned already. For the empty pail, they take short time. For the pail for higher mass, they take longer time. So this one is what we can observe. So let's see the answer. Time taken for the pail B to stop swinging is longer. So this one is an observation. Okay, state the relationship between the mass and also the time. So what is the relationship? Time taken for the pail to stop. So that means the relationship is, before we mention relationship, I need to know manipulate variable and responding. So anybody can tell me which one is the MV. Okay, manipulate variable, either mass, either time. Just type that, which one is a manipulate variable, MV. Okay, which one is the MV? Okay, I find the thing log and also the Texan come in already. Okay, just type your answer. Which one is the MV? Mass or time? So that means from the diagram, which one we control? We control the mass or we control the time? So anybody? Okay, Jala again. So the others? Hui Jun. Okay, I find it. Hui Jun give the answer. Okay, Amanda. Norin. Okay, so I pick the person, not yet to show here lah. So the answer is mass. Okay, the mass, there is a manipulate variable because we control, we add 200 grams, is it? So answer for Nurin is correct. Okay, the other also correct, Amanda also correct, Joey also correct. Okay, so from here, they want to make a relationship. So relationship, normally we mention the manipulate variable first. Then after that is a responding. So from here, we just can say when the mass increase. Okay, how about the time? Time taken for pail to stop to swinging also increase. So if you do know how to start your sentence, you just copy the question. When the mass increase, time taken for the pail to stop swinging also increase. Okay, or you say the mass increase, time taken is longer, also can. Okay, so from here, let's check. Okay, the larger the mass, okay, the longer the time taken for the pail to stop swinging. So this one is a full sentence. So we mention the mass first lah. Then later should be the time taken. Okay, then we state the hypothesis in this one experiment. So the hypothesis is normally you make a relationship. Okay, the hypothesis. So I straightforward to show the hypothesis. The larger the mass, the larger inertia. So that means hypothesis, we do not bring any time taken. You need to understood time taken for the pail to stop actually is what? There's an inertia. So that means I can say mass increase, inertia also increase. So this one is a hypothesis. That means you make earlier conclusion. Okay, so from here we just change the time taken. That one is an observation, is it? So for the hypothesis, there's a little bit changes with the observation. Observation means you refer the table. So the hypothesis, you just convert time taken actually is what? There's a inertia. Okay, then we can go to question number 3. Okay, they show about the man that pushing the trolley. We got P and also the Q. Okay, so from here we can see the P, there's an empty trolley. The Q is a full with the grocery. Okay, then we see the question. Which one trolley is hard to push? Okay, answer please. Which one is very hard to push? Okay, that means you use more effort. Okay, use more effort, use more force to push the trolley. Which one is harder? Okay. Answer please from the student. We are live here. So everybody can see your answer already. You just answer. Never mind. If you're wrong also, it's okay. We just learn from the mistake. So the answer, which one trolley? Okay, so from here, A2 student go or not? For A2 student, beside Guiwen, beside the Noreen, Amanda, these are all A1. Okay, Dixon, can you type your answer? Which one is harder to push? Okay, Jella, give me the answer already. Because the mass of trolley what? Give me the full sentence. Okay, so we choose the answer first. Okay, the answer should be the Q. Then you give me the reason. Dixon give me already. Dixon give me the answer is a Q also. Okay, so from here I want the explanation. Why you say Q? Okay, why you say the answer is a Q? So please answer why the answer should be Q. Okay, Jello, your answer is not complete because the mass of the trolley. Okay, you give me the answer because there's a high mass, we still can accept it. Okay, another one, I don't want using the mass. Another thing to represent the mass, why is that? Okay, trolley Q is larger than trolley P. Larger? What means of the larger? Larger means the size. The mass of the trolley Q is larger than the trolley P. That one is correct. You give me the, okay, maybe your technical for typing, eh? Okay, let's check the answer here. Okay, trolley Q, because they had a bigger mass, so they has a larger inertia. Okay, you must say about the, or maybe you say the mass of the trolley P is less than trolley Q. So the key word, you must mention inertia. Okay, the mass Q is larger, heavier than the trolley P. Okay, Joey, your answer is correct. Then after that, and also they got larger inertia. So this one concept, using the inertia concept. So that means you mention about the mass. Last one, you still need to mention inertia. Okay, so this one we call inertia concept. Okay, then we go to number 4. Okay, number 4, they show experiment to investigate the coagulation of latex. Coagulation, remember, they will join together, combine together, become one of the solid. That one we call coagulation. Okay, so from here, the observation after 30 minutes. So the first one, they put the ammonium solution. Ammonium solution is alkaline. Okay, they put the alkaline inside the latex. So another one is a formic acid. They put the acid inside the latex. So we find it, when they put the acid, it become white solid. So they become solid. When starting, there's a liquid. So can you complete the observation in the table 4? So anybody can answer number 1. When I put the alkaline, what happened for the latex? So just answer me. What happened for the latex when I just add the alkaline solution? Okay, when I put acid, they become white solid. When I put alkaline, anything happen? Okay, just type your answer. Any answer also can. Must be your answer logic lah. Okay, nobody do know what's the answer. Okay, when I put the alkaline, actually, there is unchanged. There's nothing happen. Because alkaline, they cannot coagulate the latex. They want to maintain the latex become liquid. Okay, so this one when I put the alkaline lah. So if your latex, they become the white solid, you want to make it become liquid back, so you need to add the alkaline. Okay, second one, sorry. You put the acid, they become white solid. Then we continue. Excuse me. Okay, when I put the latex just there only. Okay, we never put any acid, we never put any alkaline. So what happened after 30 minutes? So anybody can answer? Okay, I take a short break for drinking first. You answer me. No changes. Okay, sorry. Jala, the answer also wrong. Not no changes. Because when I just, you see example, okay, coagulate. Okay, so we find it, the answer, this one. Okay. Because we just left the latex just for a few days, we find it, they still coagulate. Okay, the reason is, okay, we check the answer. Okay, white solid, then we coagulate because surrounding we got bacteria. The bacteria, they will produce the acid. Then the acid will form on the latex. So that means they're not immediately, like maybe a few days. You find it, the latex, they will become the white solid. So same like when you add the acid. So that one is the reason why we need using the alkaline. So after a few days, although you never use, you just put there. Later, long ago, they will become the coagulate white solid. So now we need to using the alkaline to make it change back to the liquid. Okay, so this one is the answer for white solid. Okay, so from here, this one is inference. Inference, that means you base on the table, then you go to answer. Okay, observation for set 1. So what you can see from the set 1, the set 1 is, I find it the latex, there is a unchanged. They still become the liquid, although you add the ammonium solution. Okay, so this one was set 1 only, and they asked about set 1. So from here, we find it no coagulation of the latex. Okay, because there's no changes. Okay, how about C? Explain your answer in the set 3. Okay, set 3, we find it, the changes become white solid. That means we can call it, there's a coagulate. The latex already coagulate. Okay, the bacteria, you need to explain the answer in the set 3, white solid coagulate. The reason is a bacteria in the A that will react with the latex. When they react, that means they produce an acid. So that means the white solid there become, they will form. Okay, white solid form, that means they call it coagulate. Okay, so from here, can you state the definition? Again, can you see the word operational definition for coagulate of latex? So that means how your sentence to start. Your sentence must start with the word. What is that? Okay, just now I told you, when you see the operational definition, so your sentence must be start with the word what? Okay, we must start from the behind this object. Okay, now the object is what? Now the object is a coagulation of latex. So that means your sentence must start coagulation of latex is, okay, like this. Okay, is what? Okay, refer the experiment. Is produce the white solid. Okay, when you add the acid. Okay, so this one is what I can see from the table for the experiment. So my sentence is coagulation of latex is when acid is added to the latex, then the white solid is formed. Okay, so this one is how to answer the operational definition. Okay, must using the word coagulation of latex at the behind, then you add the word is. After that, refer back the experiment from the question. Okay, then we go to section B. Okay, section B, we start with the question 5. Okay, now the personal protective equipment. Okay, is the equipment that needed to give the protection to the wearer from the danger. Okay, so from here, can you state one type of the accident that might occur in the lab? Justify your answer with suitable example. So normally, accident that happen in the lab, we just talking about the simple one. Every time the student will happen one, is spoil something. Every time they give the glass lah, the cylinder lah, they will break the cylinder. So this one is normally that will happen. Another one is spill. You put the liquid inside the cylinder. After that, you pour out. That one is another one. So we finally we give the example one, the accidentally happened one. So the physical accident that caused injury due to the broken the glass apparatus, or you say the spill chemical substance. So this one, first one you put the accident. Why is that the injured? So this one is an example. Normally it will happen. So we give the simple one. Don't give too hard one. They're breaking something on the leg lah. Then after that they got mercury. So this one is more serious. So we just put the simple one. So after that we justify the answer. Give one example. Okay, you broken the glass. Okay, then we go to the next. Okay, diagram 5.1, they show the student in the science lab. Okay, based on 5.1, state 2 personal protective equipment used by the student. So you just type there, you give me either 2 of the equipment for this student to wear. Okay, refer the diagram only, just type what the equipment, protective equipment the student wear. Okay, here we got simple, we got 5. So any 2, you just give me the answer for any 2. Okay, just type there, any 2 of the protective equipment. Okay, we just refer the diagram, then we know the answer. Okay, what the student wear. Okay, got any answer? Okay, the equipment from the student. Okay, this one is a chapter 1. Many of you forgot already. Okay, Jala give the answer is a glove. Yeah, correct. We got glove. Okay, some more. Okay, Elaine give the answer is both. They give me the glove and also the lab coat. Okay, also correct. Okay, anybody can see others beside the glove and lab coat? Okay, goggle. Yeah, correct. From the Jala, they wear the goggle, not Google. So make sure you know how to spelling the goggle. Okay. So some more. Okay, you can see from here, we got lab coat, we got glove, we got goggle. Okay, coat also correct. Given correct. This one is purple cloud. Okay, also correct for the glove and goggle. Okay, so I show the answer. Okay, the answer here, goggle, glove, lab coat, and one more, there's a closed shoe. Can you see the shoe is a closed? That means you cannot wear the slipper, cannot wear the sandal, go inside the lab when you do the experiment. Okay, so this one is either 2. That's correct. Okay, so we go to next. Okay, this one diagram 5.2. Okay, they show about the step, okay, to using the fire extinguishers. So the first step, they show the diagram, they remove the safety pin. Okay, number two, you see the diagram. Sorry, the person, they hold the nozzle, okay, aim to the fire. Okay, this one is the second step. Okay, so the answer is aim the nozzle of the fire extinguishers at the fire. So you just hold the nozzle, after that you aim to the fire. Okay, number three, they say they squish the handle on the top of the fire extinguishers. Okay, last one. Okay, when you just squish, you must aim to the fire, is it? So when you aim to the fire, you must move your holder, go left and right, is it? You don't tell me, you just focus to one of the location on it. So that means they will move evenly to the left and right. So finally the fire can be off. Okay, so the answer is spread the evenly on entire fire source. So you need to spray left and right, up and down like this only. Okay, don't just aim for one location. Okay, then we go to question number 6. Okay, we start 10 until 11, is it? Okay, we still got 20 minutes, 10 minutes like this only. So from here, we answer question number 10. State the normal human body temperature. Okay, human body temperature, please answer. Okay, what's your normal human temperature? Okay, nowadays you go anywhere, they also check your temperature. So what's your normal temperature? Okay, human body, yeah. Okay, anybody answer? Okay, 36. What's 3609? Oh, I die already. Leon, 3609. Okay, that one should be the decimal point. Okay, 36.9. Okay, correct. So the answer is 36.9. That one is normal human being the body temperature. Okay, so the answer from Leon, 36.9. Okay, so this one should be the answer. Okay, then we continue to the next one. Okay, the first one, sorry, we're going to see the question first. Label the thermometer A and also thermometer B using the word they given, okay, in the box. So the first one, this one is what thermometer? Okay, this one is the smallest one. Can you find it? The needle is very small. So this one we call it as a, okay, answer. So too long already, nobody want to type. Okay, Hui Jun type already. There's okay, let's see the answer from the Hui Jun. Okay, wait from here. Uh, Deborah Fong, not infrared. Infrared is wrong. Okay, the answer is, okay, we check the answer. Okay, I picked the answer from the student, Jala cell reactor. Okay, then we can see the Hui answer also is a reactor. Okay, reactor thermometer. That's a small needle only. So this one is using for the baby lah. Okay, so the first one answer is a reactor thermometer. Okay, B. What's the answer for the B? Okay, answer B. Okay, we check the answer from the B. Just type here. The one that just come in a while, then disappear already. Trong don't know go where. Okay, B. Okay, what's the name for the thermometer B? Okay, I get the answer from the student. Okay, here. Okay, the student from Yukigan. Okay, they give me the answer is mercury thermometer. Okay, so from here the second one should be mercury thermometer. This one mercury thermometer we use it at the clinic. Okay, at the clinic they want to measure what's your body temperature. Okay, then we go through to the next question. Okay, the next question, there's a state the thermometer that can be give an accurate reading if used for the body with a fever. Okay, what's the thermometer can get the give the accurate reading if use a baby, yeah, so with a fever. So which one? Just now you got A and also B. So you tell me which one should be more accurate. So the answer is no, no any problem lah, because you answered just now already. I also explained for the baby with a fever. Okay, so normally we using is a reactor. So Amanda answer, they give me. So I read from here. Okay. So the answer from the Amanda, that's a reactor thermometer. Yes, normally using the baby body. So we're using the reactor thermometer. Okay, thank you. The other also answer correct. Noreen also correct. The peer pause also correct. Shadows also correct. Okay, that's a reactor thermometer. Okay, how about the B? They show the type of the thermometer. What is the name of this one? This one we call it, what is that? You go anywhere, Aeon, any shopping center, they also will tag for your temperature. Okay, you can see this type or not. This type is normally we using, okay, can you see the sharp part? This part is normally put inside your ear lah. Okay, this one, we call it what name? Okay, infrared. Is it infrared? So we check the others. The others, beside Jala, got any answer? Okay. Okay, beside, what's the tympanic? Okay, we can read the answer. Okay, so from here, yeah, Leon, infrared thermometer. Okay, so I show the answer. I pin the answer already. That's from Jala. Jala give me the answer is an infrared. So from here, there's an infrared thermometer. So that's correct, huh? Okay, then we continue to the explanation. Okay, state the method how we use. So the method how we use, the first one we by directing the infrared sensor to the forehead. Okay, we got two part is a more sensitive, can get the temperature that from the forehead. Another one is from your ear hole. So that means I say this part they put inside your ear hole, they can straightforward to detect your temperature. Okay, this one is how we using the infrared thermometer. Okay, then we continue to the question 7. So we just now is 50 already, we got 10 minutes. Okay, diagram 7, they show about the endocrine gland of a man. So can you name the P? Faster to answer me. What's the answer for the P? Okay, for the answer P. Okay, if I cannot finish, I want to extend the time. Sorry, I want to take some time. Okay, P. Okay, children still answer infrared thermometer. Okay, I want to go the answer 7 already. That's what's the name for the P? Okay, we label in the diagram what's a P. Okay, anybody can answer? P, what's the answer for the P? Okay, then you need to find the book already. This one is before that the topic we learned. Okay, thyroid. Okay, thyroid. Okay, almost the same. Okay, we ask about the gland, so better you put the gland at the behind there, then should be the thyroid gland. Okay, so the answer is a thyroid gland. Okay, then we go to the Q. Okay, so from here I show the answer from the Jialer, there's a thyroid. Okay, now we need to go is a Q. So the student, you must prepare. When I ask a P, then the second one must ask a Q. So you prepare your answer. So the Q is okay, many of you answer also correct. Thyroid. Okay, now we go to Q ready. Q. Q, there's a between the kidney at the center one. The one we call as. Okay, the answer come already. Okay, we check the answer from Leong Yu Cheng. And give me the answer is, okay, Chu Zixin also give the answer already. Okay, pancreas. Okay, that's a pancreas. Okay, so this one answer. Okay, one is a thyroid gland, another one is a pancreas. Okay, so we continue to the next question. Okay, state one of the function. Okay, did not also correct. Did not give me the answer also pancreas. Maybe slow lah the line. Okay, then we go to the one of the function of the hormone that's secreted by the gland P. Okay, P is a thyroid, is it? What's the function? Okay, the function is normally for develop. Okay, development. Okay, number 2 is a metabolism. That one is a thyroid gland. Okay, let's see the answer. They control the physical and also the mental development. Okay, number 2, they control the rate of the body metabolism. So this one is a thyroid gland. They produce a hormone. Okay, now what will happen to the man if the gland Q secret is less hormone? Okay, this was a pancreas. Pancreas come out the hormone should be insulin. Okay, if insulin the less ready, what happened? Okay, normally everybody will know. If you don't have insulin, that means they cannot filter the sugar level, okay, the glucose in your body. So what disease you will face it? So the disease here must be diabetes. Okay, they will suffer from the diabetes mellitus. Okay, this has a problem for the some people that got this one diabetes, although it's young. Okay, maybe the hormone insulin already is less from the body. So that's why they suffer this problem. Okay, now we go to 7 again. Okay, so from here they say the, okay, that's a correct. Control the rate of metabolism. Okay, correct. Okay, then we go to following question. They carrying the medical checkup. There's a confirm that married man, the lack of the hormone that's secreted by the R. Okay, this one is a man by the R. Can you state one problem that will affect his life and also the treatment that can be done to overcome his problem? So you need to mention the problem and also mention the treatment. Okay, the problem is what? Okay, if they less the hormone from the gland R. Okay, the problem is infertility. You also can say the less sperm to produce. This one is a problem. Okay, first one, the man will have an infertility problem. Number 2, the less sperm to produce. Okay, treatment. Normally the treatment, you can see the doctor, like is it? You see the doctor, after that the doctor will give you the pill. Okay, the pill is what? The pill is let you produce the hormone, more of the hormone, because you're less ready. So the hormone for the man should be testosterone. Okay, we see the answer. Okay, the treatment is take the pill that contain of the hormone testosterone. Okay, let you to produce more of this hormone. Okay, so this one is a problem and also statement for the lack hormone secret from the testis. Okay, number 8 ready. So the diagram to show about the schematic diagram for the crossbreeding of the two tall of the plants. Okay, first one, what are process R? Okay, R is here. Can you see the spread become two gametes? So this one R we call what name? Anybody can answer? Process R. Okay, process of the R. Okay, they produce the gametes. Gamete is a single one. They do not have the both combined. They will separate, become one cell. Okay, that one we call it as a process R. Okay, I get the answer here. Okay, one person give answer only, the others. Okay, so we pick the answer from Jia. Okay, that's the answer is okay, we show Okay, the answer is a meiosis. Okay, meiosis, that means they produce the cell, the daughter cell is half from the parents. So there's a half. You see the tall plant is a capital T and small t, is it? So after the process R, there's a meiosis, they produce the half of the cell. That means they separate. Okay, capital T and small t. So this one is the answer. So I show here, meiosis. Okay, why is process R important? Why the meiosis is important? Okay, important is for the variation, is it? You want the coming generation. So from here, the answer is produce a variation amount of the organism of the same species. So this one is why meiosis is important. Okay, important, the keyword is a variation. Okay, to produce a variation among the organism. After that, you produce is the same species. Okay, now complete the schematic diagram in diagram 8. Okay, I want you fill in the following, the last part, the circle. I want the answer. Okay, remember the line, you make sure you know how to draw. The first T will come out, then you go to another part, take the another first T. So the first one must produce is a, both also is a capital T. Okay, the second one, they take the capital T from here, then they get the number 4, the T they come in. So they become dominant and recessive T. Okay, third one, also same, dominant and also recessive. And the last one, both also is a recessive. Okay, both also is a recessive. Okay, so from here, we complete the table already. We find it. We got three of here, then we get the tall plants. We just got 1%. We get the dwarf plant. Okay, so from here we can make a ratio 3 and 1, is it? So 75% we can get the tall plant. Okay, then we go to answer. Determine the ratio of the phenotype of the dwarf plant and also the tall one. Okay, we went correct. Then the first one is a TT, capital T. Then the second one is a small t. Okay, Nurin also correct. Okay, now we go to C. Okay, determine the ratio of the phenotype of the dwarf plant to the tall plant. So the ratio is dwarf first, is it? Dwarf should be 1 only. Then the tall is a 3. Okay, 1, 3. Okay, 1, 3 is the ratio. Okay, then we go through to the D. Predict the changes having for the dwarf plant is the genotype V crossbreed with the genotype W. V and W, they want to cross. Okay, so I refer back. V and W, they need to cross. Okay, after that, they ask you, they will produce how many dwarf plant. Okay, capital T, both also T, and both also small t. Finally, you tell me when they just crossbreed, how many dwarf plant will you produce? Okay, so you just show the situation like this. We draw capital T, small t, then after that we separate. We got how many percent you can get the dwarf plant. Okay, so just answer my question. Okay, when I just crossbreed the TT dominant and TT recessive, how many dwarf plant you can get it? Okay, I want the answer in percentage. Okay, just answer me. Then when I just crossbreed, capital 2, capital T, dominant, and also the recessive, and then both together and cross. Okay, what is your percentage for the drop blood? 100%. 100% also drop. Are you sure, Elaine? Okay, we draw this part. That means now this one tall plant will become TT. Then this one will become too small t. Then you continue to do the situation like this. 100%. Drop, I don't want tall. I want drop. Drop plant. Drop plant is how many percent? Okay, I get the answer already. Okay, that's from the Leon. Okay, the answer should be 0. Okay, because just now you say capital T and small t is it? 100% is for the tall plant. Okay, I want to ask is for the dwarf plant. Okay, the dwarf plant is 0%. That means you don't have any percent, you get the dwarf plant. All the dominant should be the tall one. Okay, so that one is the answer. Thank you. Okay, then we continue to the next. Okay, number 9 already, the last one, number 9. Okay, 10 is experiment. So today I don't want to discuss about the experiment. So number 9, they show about the example for the invertebrate to support the system of this one animal in the exoskeleton. Okay, state 2 function for the exoskeleton. Okay, what's the function for exoskeleton? Important, they want to support the body. The body what? Body weight. Okay, your weight is too high already. So they want to support your body weight for the exoskeleton. Okay, exo means outside. Okay, another one that should be maintain the shape, your body shape. So from here, the lobster and also the crab. Okay, now we're going to see the answer. Okay, to support the body weight. Both outside also got something to cover the body, is it? So the one we call exoskeleton. So they support the body weight. Number 2, okay, they want to maintain the body shape. They maintain the shape so that the shape do not run. They keep the shape is still the same. Okay, then we go to number 2. Okay, how the giraffe able to drink the water? Okay, can you see the diagram? The leg, they open wider already, is it? So how they drink the water? That means they open the leg, become wider. Okay, the spreading, 2 legs become wider. After that, the head can be go down. Okay, explain why become like this. Why they want to open the leg become wider. Okay, you don't answer because the leg can go down lah. So you need to answer that increase the base surface area. When they increase the base surface area, they become more stable, yes or no? If you don't spreading the leg, you just straight, then you go down your head, that means you will fall down. So important, they want to increase the base surface area. Okay, after that, they will more stable to standing. That one is the reason why they want to spread the leg wider. Okay, and the last one, state the difference in the support system of this species. Okay, please tell me caterpillar and also centipede, they're using what support the body. So I just let you to choose. There's got exoskeleton, they got hydroskeleton, we got endoskeleton. Okay, when they say lower the center gravity, yes, correct. You can say increase the base surface area. You also can say lower the center of gravity. Okay, then this one is the question 9. So you need to give me the answer. Different support the system for these 2 species. Okay, just write your answer. We got exoskeleton. We got hydroskeleton. Okay, just answer this as the last question already. We already over 5 minutes. Okay, caterpillar is a. Okay, anybody can answer. Caterpillar is a. Okay, you can find out from your books, from the notes. Caterpillar, they got cover outside. Hydrostatic. Okay, let's see the answer here. Okay, we got two answer. Okay, this one. Peer pause. Okay, they give me the answer is hydrostatic. Okay, we check the answer. Hydrostatic. Okay, the caterpillar is hydrostatic. That's correct. Okay, for the centipede, there's an exoskeleton. Because outside they got cover, is it? So that one is an exoskeleton. So this one is a what different for caterpillar and also the centipede. Okay. So our lesson just until here only. Question 1 until question 9. For the student you do already, make sure you do the correction. For the student never do, please you copy the correct answer. Okay. So from here we just finish our lesson for today. So the next week should be our last week to study. So hopefully you do some revision. Okay, so from here, okay, I show back my screen. So thank you, student, today lesson. So thank you for your joining the class and also answer my question. So many of you also are very sporty to answer my question. We got Leon, we got Jala, we got Elaine, Wen, then we got Pierre Pauls, we got Dixon. Dixon just answer one question only. Some they just say hi teacher, then disappear already. Okay, so just thank you for your watching. Okay, you can leave the live chat now. Okay, thank you.